AgroCorp welcomes you to the world of independence and true freedom of living in a carefree style, fulfilling all the aspirations you've always had. Relish the rains and play in the puddles. Soak up the sunshine and revel in its warmth. Snuggle closer with your loved ones in the winter evening chill. Farmhouses that provide the best of both worlds. Surround yourself in tranquility, yet lead a life at par with your city home. Secluded and serene, but provides all the joys of community living. A spacious farmhouse ideal for relaxation, yet equipped for a working professional. A world by its own, designed to gift you the perfect lifestyle you've always yearned for. Your farm, your kingdom. A professionally managed organic farm in your own backyard. Serving up fruits, vegetables, and herbs to your kitchen while your entire family enjoys the great outdoors with serene landscapes to rejuvenate all your senses. Presenting the Farm Reserve, your gateway for all seasons. A community of modern organic farms with well-managed facilities to cater to an urban lifestyle. On offer are unique farms and distinct cottages with unique architectural designs to choose from and can be customized to your family's requirement and fit your budget. Be it the organic farm in your backyard or the premium lifestyle facilities, everything is professionally managed to make you feel at home and provide you a lifestyle comparable to a fully serviced resort. Walk on a stepping stone path, flanked by landscaped gardens and sculptures to the Earth Retreat. Your own clubhouse with a lifetime free membership. Awake your senses in the butterfly garden and feel invigorated with the myriad colors and aromas. Once your appetite is sufficiently stimulated, head straight to the Earth Cafe to enjoy delicacies cooked by our chef using freshly harvested organic vegetables and herbs. After a hearty lunch, enjoy a well-earned siesta on a many hammocks or lumber along to a lazy walk on the nature trail while your tiny tots bounce off in gay abandon at the kids' play zone. A refreshing lotus pond with a Buddha statue lends calmness and serenity to the proceedings. A yoga session by the pond or just dip your feet in the cool, refreshing water to get a taste of nirvana. Magical evenings at the Palm Reserve are spent stargazing by the pond or in the company of friends in an outdoor barbecue dinner or simply relax at your home by the fireside. Find yourself at home in the Palm Reserve, an investment for a lifetime with enhancement of your lifestyle. We believe that true investments should not only fulfill your aspirations but also lead to growth and prosperity. Just a 50-minute drive away from the bustling IT hub of Bangalore, the Palm Reserve is situated in a picturesque and a potential high-growth zone near Bangalore. This zone not only offers you beauty and serenity of nature, but also promises excellent development in future. easy drive on the 8-lane expressway through lush countryside leads up to Bagepalli, a small but bustling town on the highway. The entire stretch from Bagepalli Toll Plaza till Penukonda is dotted with corporates, SEZs, premium villas, apartment projects. Land prices in this zone have skyrocketed due to the upcoming developments in the last 3 years, and this is just the beginning. A 3,600-acre corporate zone is set to come up on the Lepakshi Road around 4 kilometers before the Palm Reserve, which will ensure exponential appreciation of your investment at the Palm Reserve in the coming future. The Palm Reserve is located on the famous Lepakshi Temple Road. Now, the NH 544E connecting this zone from Bangalore and Pune via Lepakshi, a beautiful temple town. Lepakshi also attracts great footfall of around 5 lakh domestic and foreign tourists annually. Just adjacent to the Lepakshi temple, you can discover the Palm Reserve. AgroCorp has curated and selected a thickly wooded piece of land to set up your green haven. Large full-grown trees with dense foliage will transport your family to a blissful paradise in the company of the birds and bees. Loaded with features and amenities suitable for the entire family and reaping the benefits of a well-managed farm, bring in the joy of the weekends to your weekdays. This zone has major projects like KIA Motors Limited and its ancillaries, BEL, NACEN, Textile Cluster and Aerospace, Defense and Electronics, ADE Park already either operational or in implementational phase. Fueling this boom is the strategic location and the close proximity to Bangalore with a best-in-class infrastructure support from the government. The Palm Reserve is at the cusp of all these developments, promising to fetch you attractive returns on your investment. We welcome you to our offices to enjoy our hospitality firsthand. Witness our pre- and post-sale service to satisfy yourself and give us an opportunity to serve you. We look forward to welcome you to the AgroCorp family.